Greetings, this is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. God bless you, and thank you for watching this video. Okay, what's all this confusion going on here? All right, I'm going to throw a phrase at you. You probably never have heard it before. Hugel-pots. When I do bags, I do what I call Hugel pots, and basically what that is the whole idea is Hugel culture. And if you guys don't know what that is, German raised beds, you should look into it. I have a whole video series playlist on what Hugel culture is, so check it out. So I don't want to get into that right now. I want to get right to the point. But what I do is I go out to the forest or wherever, and I get real softwood. And in when it comes to the Hugel pots, I don't get hardwood, I get softwood. And then what I do is I soak them and inoculate them with different microbes from our Grovana here at Earthman Soil, and different IMOs that I have, and also loaded up with biostimulants, humic acid, fulvic acid, trichotinol, seaweed hormones, a whole bunch of other stuff, the stuff that's found in our product called Kabloom. And I soak it for a couple days, and I put it in the bottom of our bags right here, and then I put maybe on top of that some broken up leaves, some chopped up leaves, and then I'll throw a little Grovana on top of that, and then I'll put my own compost, which I'll mix up and give you a recipe coming up this that's why you guys got to subscribe. I got some great soil recipes coming your way for every individual plant you can think of. And but I just want to point out that I use plastic, yes, and I use different containers, but the best, guys, is felt. I know they have those real professional grow bags, and they look really cool and stuff, but the material on those grow bags that are smart bags and stuff is really thick, and I think it's too thick for the roots to go through, really. I mean, if anything, they got to struggle. And as you can see, I have a lot of leftover roots that came out of the bottom of this small one, and so I'm going to be doing more stuff on what Hugel pots are. But just a little FYI, as you can see, I dumped this one out, and I had wood on the bottom. I mean, the microbes have just turned this into a sponge. Watch. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Okay, and that's going to be there when summer comes, and it's real hot. And say this, I didn't mulch this bag like I'm going to show you guys this summer. You got to subscribe. This would be a way for moisture to be maintained and your plant to still be able to stay alive and do well, and for your microbes to go in case the soil medium right here goes dry. All right, they'll go down, they'll seek out that I guess you could say haven. And I put biochar in too, and that's also a same purpose, but I'll do a biochar down the road. See, you got to subscribe, guys, if you want to learn good stuff. I'm teaching you everything I can teach you guys this summer about growing organic, true, nutrient-dense stuff. So, hey, like this video, okay? Subscribe. And it's real easy. Click, bang, done. So, may God bless you, and you have a great day.